A few countries are using powerful electromagnets to develop high-speed trains called maglev trains. Maglev is short for magnetic levitation, and we had an opportunity to experience it in Shanghai.
Fastest train in the world, huh? Yeah.
This is a Shanghai Maglev train, the fastest train in the world. At top speed, we're going to travel 431 kilometers per hour. One of the most amazing things about this train is the cleanliness. It is immaculate. The seats, the floor, even the train station, no trash at all. It's a major commute train, but it's immaculate.
Well, this is Rob in Shanghai on the fastest train in the world. As you can see, it's definitely fast. Right now we're at a speed of 277 kilometers and climbing. It's rare that any human being get to go this fast out of an airplane. But this is an experience, and this train is really moving.
Magnetic levitation, which means that these trains will float over a guideway using the basic principles of magnets to replace the old steel wheels and tracks that trains normally use. It's a smooth and very comfortable ride on the train.
The cars next to us on the woo! Did you get that? Did you feel that? That was a train that just passed us. Quite an experience. Whoa, boy! The maglev train is another one of those. You've got to do things when you're in Shanghai.